What's up everyone? In this tutorial, we're going to be taking a look at a plugin called Solarize, and I'm going to walk you through a few different ways in which we can use its effect. So if we just want to use Solarize flat out, what it does is it's going to generate a black and white effect over your clip, and I tend to use this for my go-to black and white look. I find that it has a really unique contrast to it. You kind of have that glow look, but the black and the whites really pop with this plugin. And so let's pull up the clip panel here and take a look at some of these parameters. So the parameter that you're going to want to play around with the most is the center brightness parameter. So I keep it around 0.5, which is the default setting, but 0.42 generally looks pretty good. But yeah, if you go too far back, you can see that it's just way too much contrast and the gamma's off. So I kind of keep it in the middle. 0.62 is also a good one. And then the power curve, this is going to adjust the brightness level of it. But again, if we go too far down here, you can see that we have a lot of artifacts that are forming, so I like to keep it around 0.9. But yeah, this is a really cool way to use it just flat out. You get a really unique black and white look from it. If we want to really start playing around with Solarize though, we can start adding like a timeline to the opacity, and then we start to get pretty unique looks like this. So I like to start it in reverse order. You can see that eventually it'll pop, and then just the whole entire clip goes to black and white. It just looks really unique. If you want to copy these parameters, feel free to go for it. I do use the alpha blend mode. Add works well with it too, but I think alpha looks the best. I put it on 7 seconds, speed at 1.22, and I find that it really helps if you add an envelope and kind of have a curve on the opacity. That way it's not so dramatic, or you don't have this this leftover white that kind of stays for a while. Kind of that ends a little bit faster. Yeah, I put it on the quadratic in, and then you can just copy these parameters as you wish. But what we can also do with it is you can turn this into a strobe effect, and I feel like it's a pretty cool strobe. So what you need to do here for this is just take the seconds, and you can just put that all the way down to, just hold this here, drag that to 0.001. You can see we have a pretty sweet strobe look with that. Put this back at 7. I'm going to show you another effect stack that I have built around Solarize. And so here's one that I have built, and it's utilizing 3 different plugins. We have FeedbackPro, Trails, and then Solarize. So you'll want to have them in this order. And I'll just go ahead and share my parameters here. Feel free to copy these. So for Trails, I have it paused here at the opacity. Don't ask me why. And then Solarize is going to be here. I have the seconds on 2 for this one. But really, this is personal preference. You can, make it a little bit faster if you want. Yeah, it's pretty fun to play around with. I think that it gives it a super unique strobe look to it. Yeah, just kind of wanted to show you guys this plugin, some things that you can do with it. I will drop these plugins for you guys here within this effect stack, but you will have to purchase Trails. But yeah, I'll drop a link with FeedbackPro and Solarize for you guys to use. Yeah, as always, thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Yeah, have a good one.